Oh.
Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, teacher. So, before we start, may I come on? Gerald, see loudly the prayer. Gerald, please come inside. Thank you, Gerald. So please remain standing, or we'll be having our energizer. So, are you familiar with the song Blue Day?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, my two teachers, please come here in front. So, kinakailangan na mag-participate ang lahat. Taas ang kamay, iwagay man, ikot ang bil at umilig pa. Tayo'y kumanta. Lula, 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 le, lula, 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 le. Hey! Lula, 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 le, lula, 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 le. Asang kamay, iwagay-wag, ilig ang kailangan. Tayo'y kumanta. So, before you're going to sit down, can you pick up some pieces of papers, arrange your chair, and sit down? By the way, I am teacher Alia Tagay, and here with me are my co-teachers. Teacher Don Maria Moran, teacher Jenicel, teacher Jericho, teacher Adrian, teacher Saida, teacher Mega, and teacher Ayla. So we are your teachers for today. Before anything else, are there any absent in class? Yes, sir. Okay, so class secretary, please list down the absence and pass it to me later. By the way, what are the things that you need to do when someone is discussing or talking here in front? Things like that.
Teacher, don't chit-chat with your people.
Okay, very good. Also, you have to avoid any noises. Another, okay, Joyce? Always participate when we are having a discussion or activity. Very good. So, you have to participate. How about another one?
Raise your hand, teacher, if you want to answer, if you want to ask questions.
Okay, very good. So if you have any concerns, you have to only raise your right hand. You understand, class? Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Now I have prepared here something for you. So this is for the group 1, for the teaching, and for the group 3. So by the way, this will be the group 1, this will be the group 2, and that part will be the group 3. So now as you can see, may nakalagay dito na high proficient, proficient, and low proficient. So when you say high proficient, this indicates as 3 points. So kapag nilagay yung picture dito yung star, it means 3 points. Kapag nilagay naman dito
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I am teacher Adrian, and I am here with me three envelopes. These envelopes contain jumbled letters. Are you excited for activity class?
Yes, teacher.
So before that, may I ask what is it? What are those that we are going to do? We are going to have group activities. No.
Teacher, we will having a when we were having a group activity, we should cooperate to our
Okay. Wait. Another.
And maybe the group activity we must help our classmates and collaborators with.
Oh, we must help. We must cooperate, help our classmates, and brainstorm. Okay. Another. Last one. Okay.
Doing an activity avoid meeting and exercise.
Okay, so last one is we should be avoiding making unnecessary noise. Okay, so I repeat, are you ready for our activity class?
Yes.
Now, what you are going to do? You are going to arrange these letters into the puzzles. Yeah. And I will give you this booklet. One, two. Do not open yet. Wait for your instruction. Okay. Now, again, I repeat, what you're going to do is you're gonna place the double letters into the puzzle. You understand? And after answering, you must present some and I will give you only 2 minutes, and that 2 minutes starts now.
Medyo shaky. Medyo shaky. Pero nasa ining.
Now you may place the answers in front. Look to. Energy, nice. Very good. So,
Love.
we need 2 points and additional 1 point for the group for finishing first. So, I have here with me the definitions. Now, first, I will first check your answers. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, all your answers are correct. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Give them one another. So, class, I have given you the definitions of your answer puzzles. Now, what you're going to do, you are going to guess which of your answers corresponds to this definition. Now, let us listen together.
It is defined as the number of students who are able to answer the item correctly, divided by the total number of students.
Okay, so, what's the answer? Item analysis is correct. Look, big. You have 1 point. Give 1 point. And item analysis. Another.
This is the difference between the proportion of number group per cut and item divided by the proportion of number group cut
Okay, who can guess what's the answer? Which of your answer? First one. Okay, another for this group, please. One. Index discrimination. And that is correct. Give this to one. Give one points to group one. Okay. Now, for the last one.
It is section of the meaning which is used for selecting and rejecting the items of test or answering on the difficulty of how you discriminate that cover.
Okay, let's give a chance to group two. Difficulty and then, oh, obviously, give this 1 point. Group two. So that is for all correct part, and you have just already understand, and you just know and understand three major points of our next session that will be discussed by our next demo teacher. Let us welcome teacher Dolores Amora.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon,
teacher. Again, I am teacher Dol, and how's everybody going?
Good.
Teacher. Good. So let's check first your energy. When I say hello, hello, you say hola, hola. Hello, hello, group one.
Hola,
hola. Hello, hello, group two.
Hola,
Hola, hola, group three.
Hola, hola.
That's it. You're all energized. So based on the activity that teacher Doom that you have done, well, who can guess what will be our topic this afternoon? Anyone? Miss Roxanne.
based on the activity given, I think our notes is all about item analysis, difficulty index, and index discrimination.
Yes, exactly. You got it right. And teacher Ayub is here points to group two. So our topic for today is all about item analysis, difficulty index, and index discrimination. So first, let's go to define the item analysis. Again, what is item analysis? Can you read?
Statistical technique which is used for selecting and rejecting the items of the test on the basis of their difficulty value and discriminating power.
So, which means item analysis from the word itself. Item analysis, it is analyzing an item whether we reject or retain an item question. So, paano natin i-analyze yung item? So, we'll use the item difficulty and discrimination index. So, what is item difficulty? It is
The number of students who are able to answer the item correctly divided by the total number of students.
So to get the item difficulty, we have the formula. Difficulty of an item is the number of students who answer correctly all over the total number of students. So for example, what is the item difficulty if 25 students are unable to answer the item correctly while 75 answered it correctly? So here's the solution. Difficulty index is equal to number of students who answered correctly. So it is 75 over the number of students 100. So 75 plus 25 is 100. So 75 over 100 is equal to 0.75 or 75%. So how do we know if we reject, retain, or revise the test question or the item? So we have this with arbitrary rule. So the range of the difficulty, if the answer in the item difficulty is ranged to 0 to 0.25, the end of its interpretation is difficult. So it is difficult for students, so we need to revise or describe the item. So if the range is 0.26 to 0.75, it is just right difficult. And we have to retain the discard. So note that a high percentage indicates an easy item, while low indicates a difficult item. So as you can observe, the higher the range, the easier the item. The lower the range, the difficult item. So what we are going to do to retain the item must be just right to answer for the student. So that's all for my part. That's all for index of difficulty. Let's proceed to index of discrimination to be discussed by teacher Jericho. Pause.
Go.
Okay, thank you so much, teacher Dolmar Amora. So, good afternoon again, once again, class. Balik. Okay, good afternoon once again, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, now, teacher Dolmar is done discuss about the difficult items. So, difficult items tend to demonstrate between those who know the answer and for those students who don't know the answer. Okay, for the group one, please read.
Discrimination index. The difference between the proportion of the upper group who got an item right and the proportion of the lower group who got the item right.
Okay, so in this discrimination index, we are going to discriminate or identify the learners who got the correct answer and for those who don't know or who didn't get the correct answer. So we have two groups here, the upper group and the lower group. So in this discrimination index, we are going to identify the three kinds of it. The first one is positive discrimination index. This is a positive discrimination index. Is dito yung more from the upper group got the correct answer. On the other hand, the negative discrimination index is for those students from the lower group that got the correct answer. And the third one is that zero discrimination index. Kumbaga, the item cannot be discriminated because both from the upper group and lower group got that or find the items easy for the both. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, I guess we're all sleepy. Energy level check for the group one.
Check.
For the group two.
Check.
And for the group three.
Check.
Okay, so okay naman, iwan ninyo. Now, the formula of the index of discrimination is we have DU and DL. What is the definition of this DU and DL? Okay, who can answer? very good. Negative discrimination index kasi marami yung nakakuha na correct score sa lower group. And then dito, all you need to do is that 5 divided by 10 is equal to 0.5. And then sa lower group, 10 divided by 10 is 1 0. Okay, now, this is now the formula on how to get the index of discrimination. Now, the discrimination of upper group is how much? How many rather? 0.5. And then minus the discrimination of lower group is 1.0. Now, what's the total for this? Negative 0.5. Negative 0.5. Now, this is the way or the formula on how to get the index of discrimination. Is it clear, class?
Yes.
You want more example? Okay. Another example or not? Another. Okay. Okay, now the same number of students, total number of students, but different percent. Let's say 40% of the respect of 39. So let's say 39%. Okay, try to calculate 39%. How 30 na lang? Okay, 30%. What is the total for this?
12.
Wow. The upper and the lower group for this is 12. Now, let's say dito sa 12. 8 na mga learners na nakakuha ng correct sa upper group. 8 over 12. And then dito sa lower group, you will decide how many learners got the correct score. Okay, let's say 6. 6 over 12. So what kind of discrimination index is? Okay, Miss Jessa. Okay, very good. It is a positive discrimination index kasi marami yung nakuha na correct sa mga learners na upper group. Very good. Now, 8 divided by 12. 0.67? Okay, 0.67. And then dito sa lower group, 0.5. Now, the formula again is discrimination upper group minus discrimination lower group. Now, the discrimination upper group is 0.67 minus 0.5. Now, what is the total? 0.70. Now, the discrimination of the total of students for the 40 and 30% is 0.70. Now, did you get class? Is it clear, class? Okay, is there any clarification or need to elaborate? Okay, wala. So let's move on. Okay, now this is the total of the example here in the discrimination index, no? So in the 25%, there is a 0.60 of the discrimination of the other group. And then minus discrimination of the lower group, which is 0.20 of the total of 0.40 discrimination of index. Nasaktan lang ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now, if you understand, so now let's go teacher, make